Hi all, today we will discuss about what is Postman, how to install Postman in Windows 7 and why we need Postman. So Postman is just a tools which is used to check your API response. Using Postman we can check all the REST API which is working or not, what are the get, post, put, deletes and all is there. So is that in locally, like if you have created any service locally, we test all the applications by using Postman. We have to pass the parameters, get the response, we need to hit the URL, get the response, like that. So Postman will provide a interface where we can do this. It's a tools we can download any of the platform operating system, but I am now uninstalling for the Windows 7. So here you have to click on this download, and then once you download, create for the window 64-bit. Once this will be installed, this will be downloaded, then we have to do the installation. So how we will do this installation, we will go for the step by step for this step. So I clicked on that and then downloaded for 64. After that, just click on this, and then once this will be downloaded, it will show like this, and then here you have to create an account, or you can skip also. And once this will be done, then after signing this all, then you will get this is the last page where see the details like this. You can import the collection, we can run this, we can create a new collection, we can create a new URL API and hit that. So how we will do, we'll see this. So our downloads, Postman is downloaded, click on the setup button, setup application exe file. Once we'll click, then there some UI interface will come. Here you will see this, there is some initialization. It's a directly I install, and after that it asking for the create free account or sign in. So you can also skip and go to the app here, and this once you skip and go to the app, then there we have a multiple operations are there. See, this is the new tab. Through that you can create, if you want to do the get operation, put operations, you can modify the changes. If you want delete operation, you can modify the changes for delete. So we have multiple HTTP status are there, HTTP calls is there. Through that we can do HTTP method, we can say like get, post, put, delete, patch, etc. After that we have a params, we can add the params. If you have any authorizations like any security, we have API, bearer token, JWT, basic auth 2, auth 1, these all we have to do. And after that we have a header, then body, then pre-requested script, test and setting. So this settings you can also enable SSL, automatically follow, and some of the things disable, whatever you want. This is the test. Here pre-requested scripts, if you want to run, you can add this. This is the body where we have non-form data, this data, raw inside that you can select it JSON, text, JavaScript, SSL, whatever file you want to either a response or request you want to send, or you want to get the response, you have to mention this. This is the header, like that. If you will send this, here the URL you have to enter localhost HTTP get the employee detail, place the employee detail, delete the employee detail, update the employee detail, like that, and send. Rest of that we have to change this method of HTTP, and then once you will send, then you will get this information. Here it's showing like request URL is empty, so we will do that one. So once we'll start working on that, then in that time we will do. And also this we have to save the response. Here we have to create a new HTTP graph, which is this, all the features are there. Create a collection or import the collection also, if someone has already collection for this and they are sharing, then you can use this import and test your application. So this is mostly way for this testing. So instead of we'll wait for this client and all, then directly you can test all the API whatever the developer has developed, or if you have developed you need to verify the changes is correct or not. Then by using postman we can do the change, do the testings and all. We need to add the collections, so we have a addition of that. Before that, some of the requirement or features data, create an account, so you can create an account and sign in that. Or if you are working for this any organization, also they will share the details. You can log in and then we can perform the operation. So this is the postman collection tools which I have to install while working. So yeah, thank you for that. Please do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.